Hey guys, how to check shared calendars on iPhone. First of all, open the calendar app on your iPhone. So you're gonna type right here, calendar, right? And then at the bottom of the screen, just tap calendars, right? And then scroll through the list to see any shared calendars. They usually show with check mark if they are visible. If you want to manage or check the settings of a specific shared calendar, tap the info icon next to the calendar and basically to search for options. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.